What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on NOT because this coin is for the past couple of hours pumping like crazy. Right now we are also testing an important resistance, and if certain conditions are met, I am planning to open here some trading positions. So if you are interested about the exact trading setups that I'm currently watching on this coin, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. As I said in the intro, right now we are testing this important resistance area, which is between level 0.00729 and 0.00718. Right now, I think there is definitely not a good opportunity to open here a long trade, because the first important support is here between area 0.00591 and 0.00581. So right now we simply don't have here like an interesting area where we can put our stop loss. Also, we are right now under this important resistance, so from, let's say, probability perspective, right now it is also not a good idea. The first scenario in which I will consider to open a long position will be in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this area. Some of the profits I will definitely take like under this next important resistance, because as you can see, this area is between level 0.00790 and 0.00764. So the exact long scenario can then look, for example, like this. Stop loss in this case, after that support confirmation, you can place just under this this resistance area, because if there will be breakdown and then a resistance confirmation, so the price will do something like this, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit targets you can then place under this previous highs on the 1 hour chart, because you can see that historically above this resistance area we simply don't have here any liquidity, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. So some of the profits, as I said, I will definitely take like under this important resistance area, because there is high probability of, for example, something like this, and then I would take my next profits based on the risk reward ratio. So with this trade we are aiming for risk reward ratio like 23, and if you will take like, I don't know, like 5-6 take profit targets, then the risk reward ratio will be still like 14-15, which is in my opinion really good. And then some of the profits you can take, for example, here, then here, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. Really, like the take profits targets in this area are definitely up to you. Other possible trading scenario that we can trade here will be valid in case of a breakout, fake out, and then again a resistance confirmation. The fake out above this important resistance area is here extremely important, because of that we can place here our stop loss properly. So the stop loss you should place above the high that we will create during the fake out. The entry will be under this resistance area again after a resistance confirmation, and the last take profit target you can place above this support area. In this case you are aiming for risk reward ratio approximately like 5.6, 5.7, but in this case it will depend on the high that we will create during the fake out. So if the high will be small, then we can aim for risk reward ratio like 8. So in this case it is also really important to take multiple take profit targets. Some of the profits definitely take like under this previous highs, then for example under this previous lows, then above these highs, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, again, you are aiming for risk reward ratio 5, 4, 3, 6, I don't know. Again, it really depends on the potential high that we will create during the fake out. But me personally, from a risk reward ratio perspective, I like more the potential long scenario. And if we take a look on the higher time frame, for example, a 4 hour chart, you can see that this coin is relatively new, and recently it was put on Binance and on other exchanges. Also, you can see that above this resistance area we have historically like zero liquidity on the 4 hour chart, because the last candle close around the level 0.007639, which is a resistance area that I told you about on the 1 our time frame. So if you want to create here some more of a long-term long position, then probably wait for a support confirmation of this resistance area as well, because then we will have here like almost a price discovery phase. It's not like a normal price discovery phase because we have here like this previous high. So yeah, there can be a pump around like 365%, but if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, as I said, we will be almost in the price discovery phase. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I am sharing those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.